Welcome to Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash news provider. No BS, no gimmicks, just facts. Welcome back. Here's your daily Bitcoin update for the 16th of May, 2025. Crafted to be easy to read, slightly cheeky, and packed with useful insights so you can stay informed without needing a PhD in blockchain. Let's dive in. Bitcoin walks into six figures like it owns the place. Well, Bitcoin didn't just knock on the six-figure door, it kicked it open and strutted in like it was late to its own party. As of this morning, BTC is chilling around $103,799, leaving the crypto community equal parts thrilled and anxious, depending on whether they bought the dip or are the dip. So what's pushing Bitcoin's swagger? Let's break it down. Price snapshot. Current price, $103,799. 24 hours change, up 2.3%. 7-day change, up 8.1%. Market cap, $2.05 trillion. BTC dominance, 52.4%. Bitcoin continues to ride a strong upward momentum after bouncing off $97,000 earlier this week. It's not the meteoric surge we saw during past manias, but it is a confident, steady climb, one that signals smart money may still be moving in. Why is BTC pumping? 1. Spot ETF flows still positive. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other major ETF players keep seeing strong inflows. Even with volatility, institutional buyers aren't backing off. Bitcoin's stamp of legitimacy is now deeply inked. 2. Macro tailwinds. Inflation data in the US is coming in cooler than expected, sparking renewed hopes for interest rate cuts later this year. Lower rates equals cheaper money equals risk on mood, and few things scream risk on quite like Bitcoin. 3. Halving afterglow. We're now over 1 year post-halving, and historically, this is when the real fun begins. Supply's been cut, demand's rising. Classic bull recipe in the oven. 4. Dollar weakness. The DXY US dollar index is trending slightly lower this week. A weaker dollar often gives Bitcoin a leg up as it becomes more attractive to global investors as a hedge and store of value. Notable news. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, keeps buying. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin addiction knows no bounds. The company just announced another $500 million BTC purchase planned via convertible notes. At this point, they might rename the company Bitcoin Strategy. Hong Kong greenlights more ETFs. Hong Kong is expanding access to crypto ETFs, and this could open new liquidity pipelines from Asia, with China watching closely and unofficially participating. This could be a sneak preview of bigger regional demand. Altcoin lag. While BTC is booming, many altcoins are still playing catch up. ETH is up, but not nearly as much, and meme coins have calmed down after April's mania. This is often a sign that we're still early in the cycle, and Bitcoin is setting the pace. What's next? Analysts are eyeing resistance around $105,000, $108,000, but if that breaks, the path to $115,000 plus opens up quickly. On the flip side, short-term corrections are possible, especially with traders taking profits near psychological levels like $100,000. The key is watching volume. Higher buying pressure equals stronger breakout potential. On-chain and sentiment metrics. Fear and greed index, 78. Extreme greed. Exchange balances, still dropping. More BTC is being withdrawn than deposited. Whale activity, uptrend. Large wallets adding to positions. Funding rates, elevated but stable, suggests bullish bias without excessive leverage yet. Quick threads worth noting today. At BTC Archive, BTC ETFs now hold over 5% of the circulating supply. At Dylan Leclerc, post-halving accumulation phase is not just alive, it's thriving. At Lynn Alden, contact. Macro Bitcoin correlations explained in one of her classic data-rich threads. Bitcoin's in the club, but it's not leaving just yet. Bitcoin has entered six-figure territory like it owns the Velvet Rope, the DJ booth, and probably the whole building. But whether it stays here or heads for the rooftop suite, aka $120,000 plus, depends on how investors, institutions, and macro forces dance over the next few weeks. So grab your popcorn, or your cold wallet, because if Bitcoin's story were a Netflix series, we're just getting to the juicy part. Now smash that like, Hit subscribe and the all button, and I'll see you tomorrow.